Thank you for joining me. I'm Alex, and I want to talk about Pepsi today. Not really Pepsi the brand, more Pepsi the conglomerate, because they do so much more than just Pepsi. And as you can see, there's still a sale going on, and it's getting the discounts are getting steep. So I figured I'd focus this week on stocks that really shouldn't be affected, or companies that really shouldn't be affected by the current situation, but their stocks somehow are. So there might be some bargains here, and that's kind of why we're looking at Pepsi today. Now, what they do is they have snacks and soft drinks and juices and flavored sparkling water and other things. So obviously all things that really shouldn't suffer in a recession, because people will still buy that unless their situation gets so bad that they live on water and ramen, which I hope it doesn't get to that. Current price is just under $104, which gives them a market cap of $145 billion. And they dropped 11% on Friday, which means somehow people think that this company will be affected. That's not it, by the way. It's just that people sell stocks they shouldn't be selling because the whole market is going down, and also they're part of an index, or many of them. And so the whole thing is going down. That's kind of dragging them with them. Dividend yield is almost 4% with a payout ratio of 73%, which is not great necessarily, especially in the current situation, but it's definitely not terrible. Revenue $67 billion, up 3%, so almost $3 billion, almost 5% from the previous year. Earnings $7.3 billion, down from 12.5, but the 12.5 was the outlier, not the 7.3. It's up significantly from the previous 2 years, which is obviously a good thing. PE of 20, forward PE of 18, also not terrible. Total assets $78.5 billion, slightly up. Total liabilities $63.7 billion, also slightly up, which gives them total stockholders' equity of $14.8 billion, which is also slightly up. And overall, as I said, they are a big company, conglomerate, group of brands that really shouldn't be affected too much by a recession. They might get affected if things get really bad, and as I said, I hope it doesn't come to that. So if you're looking for safe stocks, there's obviously some retailers that are not going to be affected, and they're currently up even during this time, which is like Walmart or Amazon, or I'm not sure where the Walgreens stock is, but they're obviously going to stay open and probably make more money than they did before. But Pepsi is one of those stocks that is very safe, in that the whole set of brands that they sell is not going to be affected too much by the recession. And even if there is a prolonged recession, I wouldn't expect them to really be affected too much. That's it for me for today. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe. I'm coming out with more videos every day before market open. I hope you have a successful day.